Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Wordplay Wednesday. A technostratigraphic terrane, an accretionary terrane, or simply a terrane, is a crust fragment formed on a tectonic plate or broken off of one and accreted or sutured onto another one. The suture zone is usually identified by a fault, so all of the dark lines you see on here would be those faults. And sedimentary deposits that cover the suture zone are called overlap formations. So as you can see, our west coast is pretty much nothing but accretion terranes. So, yeah. How does a terrane form? Well, it's a piece of crust that has been transported laterally, usually as part of a larger plate, and is relatively buoyant due to thickness or low density. When the plate of which it was part of subducted under another plate, so the terrane failed to subduct, detached from its transporting plate, and accreted onto the overriding plate. The term came into use in the 70s to explain the complicated Pacific Cordilleran orogenic margin, which you saw in the last one. But you can kind of see from the side, so you've got your faults. There's a couple there. There's an older accreted terrane here with another fault. You can see where the suture zone is. And then there's a new incoming terrane making its way over. So that's basically all there is to it. It gets more complicated. We're keeping it simple. So thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn about the birth of the Appalachian Mountains. Fossilize you later.